Okay, welcome back guys to my part 2 of my 2025 first nature trail dito sa Coror. So, ito yung area na it's located on upper side of Palau Pacific Resort compared to my previous vlog from part 1. So, I bring my two kids kasi medyo malayo yung area and we are not too familiar because this is our first time to go up and check this nature trail. Sabi nila they have Japanese defense cave, small cave, dalawa siya, and then a big water tank from nagsusupply sa community. So let's see. Let's find out kung anong meron dito sa nature trail nila. Ayan. Okay, this is the first cave. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Small lang siya. World War II Japanese military defense cave. So, yan po. During that time, of course, siguro dito sila nagtatago in case na meron mga bombing. So, it's not too big. It's only fit for one or two soldier inside. Yan. Alright, this is the second one. Ganon din siya. Hindi rin siya ganun kalaki. Mga 1 to 2 soldier lang ang pwede dun sa loob. Yan siya. Alright, so tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Hanapin natin yung ibang mga uh, location dito. So they have security guard house. This is a guard house pero wala na siyang naka-stay dito. So meaning siguro before meron naka standby dito na security. But for now, it's empty. Ayan. But it's still good. Maintain pa rin yung area. Walang plastic, walang garbage. Still okay and safe to walk. Ayan, may mga signage naman. So, if you see some signage, you need to make sure you read and understand yung nakasulat dun sa signage. So, you guys can go ahead. Alright, so meron din naman siya mga arrows, directions, so hindi tayo maliligaw. And napakalinis ng ilalim ng mga kakahuyan, no? Of course, it's well maintained. So hindi siya nakakatakot puntahan. And sa mga kapwa ko hotelier, just please subscribe to my videos. Marami tayong ilalabas na mga videos regarding hotel, especially when you are in school or studying hotel and restaurant management or tourism. So marami tayong ilalabas na vlog dito sa aking page regarding hotel operations. Ayan, meron din silang view deck dito sa area. So from this side, matatanaw mo naman yung Palau Pacific Resort dun sa baba. Yan, yun yung kanilang beach. Yan, napakaganda ng kulay. Alright, as we go on, yan, ang gaganda ng mga puno, malalaking puno talaga yung nandito. And it's protected area. No? So this area, wala na tayong concrete road. So ingat lang kasi of course kapag maulan, slippery yung area. Yan, so may mga pangalan, may mga name yung mga nakatanim dito. So there's a wooden steps or stairs going down. Alright, so yung blue, this is the pipe from, I think from the big tank. So later on, let's see kung saan located yung kanilang water tank dito. Ayan, no entry. So, of course, hindi tayo pupunta doon. Ayan, medyo mapagod na. Pawis na tayo. Good exercise, early morning exercise. It's around, I think, 7:30 a.m. So, we are almost, I think, 4 minutes or 5 minutes walking on the trail. Alright, so ito yung kanilang napakalaking water tank na nagsusupply ng water going down dun sa Palau Pacific Resort. Ayan. It's a huge water tank. Alright, so nakabalik na tayo dun sa entrance. Dito tayo nagsimula kanina. So, we're going down and going back to the hotel rooms na ating tinutuluyan. Ayan yung water tank nila. And ipapakita naman natin yung kanilang room later on. So, kung gaano kaganda yung mga rooms dito sa Palau Pacific Resort. Alright, so if you are new in my channel, you can subscribe. This building, isa sa mga building ng World War II. Yeah. So, thank you for watching, guys. God bless.